This video shows how to use the HTML5-based vSphere client to create and manage virtual machine customization specifications. This video focuses on vSphere client usability enhancements to these tasks. A redesigned wizard in the vSphere client improves how you create VM customization specifications. Access VM customization specifications under Policies and Profiles and click New. Here we create a specification for Windows. At the Network option, click Manually Select Custom Settings. You can click Add to add more network adapters. Select Edit from the ellipsis drop-down to change network settings. A usability enhancement to Edit Networks panel places a subnet and gateways information on the right-hand side for the IPv4 and IPv6 screens, making it easier to enter these settings. In the Edit Network panel, if you choose Prompt the user for an address, you can enter subnet and gateway settings now, or you can enter the information later when you apply the specification to a virtual machine. You can use a VM customization specification when you clone a virtual machine. Here we clone a virtual machine and check Customize the operating system to use a previously created specification. When the specification includes the setting, Prompt the user for an address when the specification is used, you are prompted to configure the network settings for the new virtual machine. The vSphere client also enables you to configure the default gateways in this step. Click Finish to create the virtual machine. Another improvement in the vSphere client is the ability to specify name, description, and VC server when you import a VM customization specification. In the VM Customization Specifications pane, click Import, browse for a specification, and make your modifications as necessary. Click OK to finish the import. Another way to create a VM customization specification is to use the Duplicate option. A usability enhancement in the vSphere client enables you to enter a name and description and to specify a different vCenter server for the new specification. Previously, in the vSphere client, you could not duplicate VM customization specifications across different vCenter server systems. For more information about virtual machine customization specifications, see the vSphere Virtual Machine Administration document and visit docs.vmware.com.